so I never really expected anyone to ask me how to make it, but someone did, so anywho, I don't have much time as I have to study for exams. So simply put, first you get your pen, which my camera isn't focusing, Jesus Christ. Anyway, your pen, and you cut a hole using a craft knife over around here. Now this is more of an estimate. You can estimate whatever size you want, and this thing is the trigger, which from this example you can see how it works. This piece here lifts and acts as a stop. The trigger, found it. Okay, this thing is the trigger, which see has struck a primer and I just left it there. Anyway, this thing goes all the way in, and what holds it, what stops it is inside. This holds it, and once you release this, it goes and strikes. To make this, I just got it out of a pen ink and just stuffed a nail in there, whatever was possible to glue in there. You can use paper clip, I don't know, whatever works. Anywho, for a more realistic look of a pencil-faust, what I did here was, in order to actually fit the spring in, you have to get a paper roll and just roll it around the cap, which you put in here. And yeah, as you can see, you just stuff it in. Probably tape it because it ends up blowing out the back. And for the Faust itself, you get this piece, you put a cap on, it's pretty self-explanatory, and then you just stuff it in. I would recommend putting something here so it actually sticks in, because you don't want it to just not blow up and then just, I don't know, fly off. For a more workable model, I would recommend getting a really long piece of ink cartridge, and from there you get a rubber band or something, and then somehow find a way to attach it, usually tape, and then from there you pull it back and the lock locks in as usual, and then it goes fire. As for the spring, I don't like using springs anymore because, as you can see, it just corrodes. But yeah, you get it from a lighter. Normally these lighters you'll find a spring somewhere. Otherwise, that's it. Hope it helps.